How to create group chat on Character AI. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Make sure that you have installed Character AI in your mobile device. Now to begin with, tap Open your Character AI application. If you are not logged in, make sure to log in into your account. To create a group chat, it takes a couple of steps only. At the bottom, you will see a Create option. Tap on it. With the option, select on Group Chat. Now, you can select on the characters that you want to add in your group. You can add from your recent or even search in the search bar. At the top, you will see a pencil icon. Click on it to rename your group chat name. Then select on Save. Once you are done, tap on Create Group Chat. You can invite more friends by clicking on Invite Friends and sharing the link of your group chat. Now, as a group has been formed, you can easily send text messages and more. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.